My journey in Babcock has been a wonderful experience. Although I did my first degree in Babcock University before I came back for my PhD, it has been a very challenging at the PhD level because I started my PhD in 2018 and 2020 we had this coronavirus pandemic and we left school. Everybody was asked to leave the school after I completed then I had completed my coursework. I was about to start my thesis after defending my topic, and they got it approved. We were asked to go home. I thought it's something that I will finish by 2021 after 3 years, but as I left home, we faced another challenges at home, and as a husband, as a father, I have to focus on taking care of my family and making sure that we survive that period. Before I knew it, I got distracted by a lot of things, and 5 years before I knew, 5 years had gone. I have not finished my PhD. So by 2025, I made up my mind that I would need to come back to come and just continue my work, my PhD. And I came, and when Babcock calculated and discovered I have spent like 5 years, they were like, what are you doing at home? I said, I don't know, but I'm here now to complete the work, even though I don't know whether I will be able to finish it or not. And you know, Babcock is a place where there is flexibility, but you must do the work. You must do the work. So nobody dash you any degree, nobody dash you any. If they didn't give, there's no any soft landing for anybody. You have to work and make sure, especially at the PhD level, you have to make sure that you contribute to the existing knowledge. And to the glory of God, from 2025, when I came back, I made up my mind I'm going to avoid anything that would distract me from politics, business, family. I left everything just to focus on the PhD. Today, I'm glad that I've been able to contribute to knowledge, and I've been able to graduate as a PhD holder in peace and conflict resolution. Studying peace and conflict has opened my eyes to so many things in the world I come from, and I believe Babcock has not just prepared me, it has empowered me to serve my family better, to serve my community better, to serve my state better, to serve Nigeria better, and to serve the world better. So I'm very glad that I pulled through this, and I believe that with God by my side, there are a lot ahead that will be achieved, and those things wouldn't be possible without the contribution that Babcock has made in my life. My name is Dr. Rikwense Muri. I am proudly Babcock.
Hey, Babcock.